Hey, what's up, Jake Paulers, and welcome to another sick daily vlog. So today I'm going to be doing a Purebasic tutorial because I noticed there's not too many of those on YouTube. Here I am at the Purebasic website. To download Purebasic, just go to purebasic.com, go to downloads, and select whatever system you're running. For me, it's Windows 64-bit. Once you're done downloading, go ahead and open Purebasic. So when you open it up, you're going to get something that looks like this. So let me just go ahead and give you a quick tour of what you see here. So at the very top is the main menu where you have File and Compile and Debug. Underneath that is a toolbar where you have Save, Cut, Copy, Paste, that kind of thing. In the big box in the middle is the editor where we're going to write all of our code. Underneath the editor is the error log and the quick help error bar, which is very useful for when you're trying to compile your code and you don't know what the error is. At the side, the long box is a customizable pane where you can put anything you would want. So now that we have a brief overview of the Purebasic IDE, let's start writing our first program. So the first thing I'm going to do is call the open console function that does, well, you guessed it, it opens the console. From there, I want to print hello world onto the console. To do that, I'm calling the print function, and in the brackets with quotation marks, I'm going to type hello world. Now, I'm going to call the input function and the end function. Basically, what this does is that it ends the program once the user presses enter. And there we go, those 4 lines are all you need to do your first program in Purebasic. Now I'm going to go to the compiler and I'm going to compile/run the program. So you can either go to compile and click the first option in the dropdown, or you can just hit F5, which is faster. And here's our program, hello world. Once I press enter, the console will close and the program will end. It's that simple. So thank you very much for watching this video. The next video is going to be a bit of more general rules of Purebasic type video. So if you'd like to see that, please subscribe and leave a like and put comments down below for future video suggestions. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.